Hi, the new solar system came in today. I just have it hooked up like real temporary. I wanted to show it to you. It is very cloudy out today. There's hardly any sun. I will show you the panels. Now, this is the 30 amp charger controller. I do have it hooked up to load. I have it hooked up to my 400 watt EverStart piece of junk power inverter. Now, this thing has a habit. If you use the 12 volt plug, it has a habit of literally going through fuses. So if you're going to use something like this, one of these inverters, plug it in on, hook it up to your battery directly, or you will chew through fuses. Now, the reason I did this is I wanted you to see that it can power certain things off load. This charger controller also has 2 USBs for charging. Now I'm running 2 lights here. These are lights that came out of the camper. This LED light and LED light over here. I believe that's LED. But anyway, those came out of the camper. I didn't really have anything else I could plug in right now to show it to you. But you can see it's pulling absolutely nothing. And you will see it does rotate. And of course, USB is still charging. Now, I want to talk to you about this real quick. This is a 30 amp charger controller. It's a PWM. I cannot leave this outside. That is just hooked up temporarily. I am checking, making sure the panels work, making sure the charger works. Right now it's just hooked up temporary, very temporary, so I can check everything. Everything seems to be working fine. Now the thing is, I have this hooked up with my other solar panels as well. Now, I did not hook this up to my battery bank. What I did was I hooked it up to the bus bar. And you can actually do this if you get more than one solar setup with different charger controllers. You can get a bus bar and connect them all to the bus bar if you want. Instead of connecting them straight to the battery, connect to the bus bar and they will connect up to the battery. In fact, I could actually hook that one up to the bus bar if I wanted to, but since I already have it ran, and I would have to get some more wire for that to do that. But like I said, this is a temporary thing. I'm not leaving this hooked up. I just wanted to show you the new panels. Now this has a 30 amp fuse right here, which is a square car fuse. It's basically the type of fuse I have in here. Let me see if I can get this box open. Yeah, there we go. It is basically these fuses here. Now this is 20 amp, of course, but this holds a 30 amp fuse. Now I want you to see the panels. The panels are quite a bit different than the ones I already had. And right now I don't have any wood, so I can't really build anything else or add on to my frame here. And I did need to check these, so I just have them sitting here leaning against a strap here, a ratchet strap. Now you can see these panels are absolutely a little bit bigger than the ones up there. Now these are wider and I believe a little bit shorter than the ones I have up there, but they are wider. They do seem to produce plenty of power. Like I said, it is really nasty out here. Now right now both my panels, of course, both my sets are producing power. This is 800 watts total power, but right now with the hardly any sun and rain, it's not getting a lot of power, but it is going through. So, is it worth paying $408 for 4 panels? It seems to be. I do have lead acid batteries. Now on this, if you go to the batteries, let's see if I can get that to yeah. I haven't reset this. Oh, alright, that does my batteries there. Right here. You can see it says gel. And if you go through, it's gel, AMG, and I believe lithium. Now, I do have lead acid. So, I am using lead acid. It seems like it's automatically picking it up and everything's working fine. So, alright, and of course, like I said, that's charging. It has 2 USBs at the top. It has a thermostat on this side. And like I said, this is just temporary because I do not want to leave this charger controller outside unless it's covered up in something. And I do have to build onto my solar platform here so I can get those off the ground. And once again, is it worth the money? Yeah, and it came very, very well packaged. Let me set this camera down super quick. I'm gonna run in and show you the brackets. Let me go grab one. Just give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. These are the brackets. Literally. They are much better than the ones that I got over there. Those are basic Z shapes. And they're not very thick. But these are pretty thick. They're lightweight. And it has a place for the solar panel to push up against. Right there, a lip. And it came with all the brackets I need to mount them, all of them. And like I said, until I actually get some more wood here so I can add on to this, I'm just going to keep these in a box and probably, keep them in my van or something. Anyway, I just wanted you to see them. You can determine whether it's worth anything to you, having something like this. Like I said, no amps are coming out. Nothing's coming out right now. Has a 0.5 amp load. 0.4 amps, and this is coming straight off the load, so it is not coming out the batteries. It's coming off the solar panels themselves. Alright, I'm fixing to go. It's starting to really rain. I gotta get this stuff unhooked, get this in the house or in my van. So anyway, there's the new power. It was $408 and a little bit of change. I think $4,899 or something like that. So basically $409 with free shipping. 4 solar panels. Each one is 100 watt. So they produce the same as the ones I have up there. So they're 100 watts each. Has a decent charge controller. And you can see it does run stuff off load. Alright, that's it. I'm fixing to go. The batteries in my camcorder are fixing to die. If you want any more information about these panels, contact me and I'll let you know where I got them. Alright, that's it. Everyone have a good day. Bye.